everyone and welcome back to the Cam Technology. Today we're diving into the world of battery laptops with the Asus Vivobook X1504ZA in cool silver. This sleek machine promises affordability without sacrificing performance. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First things first, aesthetics. The Vivobook X1504ZA boasts a clean, minimalist design. The cool silver finish is subtle and professional looking, perfect for work or school environments. It's constructed from plastic, which keeps the weight down to a comfortable 1.7 kg, while some may prefer a metal chassis for a more premium feel. The plastic feels steady enough for everyday use. Opening the lid reveals a 15.6-inch display with sizable bezels. It's not the thinnest laptop on the market, but portability isn't necessarily its main selling point. Let's talk about the keyboard. It's full-size layout with a decent amount of key travel. Typing feels comfortable with a satisfying clicky response. 1-minute grip. The lack of backlighting which can be a bumper in low-light situations. The trackpad is spacious and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures for smooth navigation. It clicks firmly for satisfying clicks. The Vivobook X1504ZA offers two display options, a basic TN panel or an IPS panel. The TN panel provides decent visuals for everyday tasks, but viewing angles are limited and colors might appear washed out. If you plan on watching movies or editing photos, the IPS upgrade is highly recommended for its superior color accuracy and wider viewing angles. Under the hood, Asus equips the Vivobook with a range of 12 generation Intel Core processors from the i3 to i7, paired with integrated Iris Xe graphics. This laptop is geared towards everyday productivity tasks like browsing the web, working on documents, and managing spreadsheets. Don't expect it to handle hardcore gaming or intensive video editing. However, a cool feature is the Asus My Asus app. This lets you switch between performance profiles, giving you a slight performance boost when needed. The Vivobook X1504ZA comes equipped with a good selection of ports. You find essential connections like USB-A ports, an HDMI port, a micro SD card reader, and a headphone jack. It also offers Wi-Fi 6 for speedy wireless connectivity. Battery life is decent, lasting around 6 to 7 hours on a single charge with moderate use. This is sufficient for a workday or shoe classes, but you might need to carry the charger for extended usage. A nice surprise is the Vivobook Upgradability. The back panel allows you to access to the RAM and storage, so you can potentially expand its capability down the line. This is a plus for users who want to extend the life of their machine. When it comes to value, the Vivobook X1504ZA shines, starting at a very affordable price point. It offers a well-rounded package for students, casual users, and budget-conscious professionals. To summarize, the Asus Vivobook X1504ZA caters to users who prioritize affordability over top-tier performance. It's ideal for students, writers, web browsers, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday tasks. However, if you're a creative professional dealing with heavy photo editing or video rendering, or a gamer who craves high frame rates, you might need to look elsewhere. I believe every laptop has its own strengths and weaknesses, and here I only mention the strength parts such as affordable price point, decent performance for everyday tasks, upgradable RAM and storage, and last but not least, the comfortable keyboard. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next video.